Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on camera mirror effect on the Samsung Galaxy S2030 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. Then tap on the settings icon. In the camera settings, go down to the selfies section and then tap on save selfies as preview. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Now tap on the back key to go back to the camera. Now I'm going to switch the camera to the front selfie camera, and you can see that if I take a shot, then my photos will be saved as it appears on the camera, or a mirror effect. So if I go back into settings and then I turn off save selfies as preview, you can see that if now I take a photo, my face is now on the right hand side instead of saving on the left hand side as how I see it on my phone, or simply a mirror effect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.